Hi all, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So, major question: how we can generating business leads from WhatsApp Messenger? So here, if you go to a particular page, they give option name is called get more WhatsApp messages from potential customers. Reach people who are like your contact your business with the ad. The start a WhatsApp chat thread. This will be complete ad from the WhatsApp. We'll go here, select your post option. When click here, they go to your WhatsApp option. Here, based on your location selection and the budget selection. So here, just I'm selecting for minimum 4 days compulsory mandatory. 4 days, my budget here, daily spending for budget. So daily we can require for minimum 80 rupees. So here we can go for less than they can't accept it. Minimum they can go for 350 rupees. The people reach will be 1200 to 3300. Engagement will be 256 to 741 here. Along with tax, they will be charging for 413 rupees. This will be showing to customers only Facebook and Instagram. Once ad budget and here. This major one is called your selected audience, age wise, and this will be here. I'm only target by Hyderabad. In this, I'm don't target any specific audience. I can target by each and every audience. Here, once I'm selecting Hyderabad, age wise 772, 2200 members will reach. The engagement will be 196 to 567. Engagement will be reached. The amount will be same. When at this budget, this error will be gone. Finally, click for boost post now at the budget. This is nothing but only we can direct people are looking your ad. Immediately they will be contact through WhatsApp number. So that is the majorly important to the users get business from WhatsApp. This feature utilize on Facebook and increase your business leads from the WhatsApp by using Facebook ads. The option name is called Facebook Business WhatsApp ad option. So use this one. Any this future, if you have doubt about the creating ad time, you can contact my channel. I definitely will be support you how to create the WhatsApp ad on the particular website. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.